Hey guys, welcome back to a whole new video. I'll be cooking in a little bit because it is 3:30. I'm going to make something to eat. We're gonna bounce and we're gonna go to the store right now. So got my charger, got my phone. I'm gonna just put this on really fast. Hold on. I already have chicken defrosted downstairs. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so this is what I'm wearing. Basically, I'm just wearing gray tank top, black leggings, and this cute little thing that I've had for quite a while. Is even though it's like really hot outside, it's very airy because it has like little opening holes all over it. So this is basically like for when you go to the gym, you know, and you're sweating, so like that you get air in there. Oh guys, it is freaking hot. Literally people out here that don't sweat. Like if you don't sweat, like, are you even human? Anyways, so I'm almost over here to Food Max. I was thinking like maybe what can I do for stuffed chicken? Should I do cheese? Should I do broccoli? Like what should I do? Maybe there I'll probably change my mind, because I was thinking maybe I can just do spinach with cream cheese. Alright guys, so I'm just getting out the store, and so I basically just ended up buying some baby spinach, some cream cheese, and some gelatina, and some peanuts. Some of these mixed ones. I don't know, I was really craving some peanuts. Alright, so when I get home, I'm just gonna basically just get to cooking, so like that I have just time to rest, so like that I have time to rest after. Alright guys, so I'll see you when I get home, okay? Leave it there for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. So I already flipped the chicken and it looks something like this. So the oven has been set to 350, and this is how they look like. They look like mini cheeseburgers. Well, actually they look like sandwiches. Never mind. And there's this one over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Cleanup time, yay! Oh, now I'm just gonna clean because it is a big mess, and then I'm gonna be back because we're gonna do some white mother effing rice. Okay, let's go. So for rice, I'm doing this one. So So basically this is what I use to measure for rice. Just 1 cup of that. And I'm just gonna add some salt. There we go. And we're just gonna wait until it boils. So it's been about 20 minutes now, and I'm gonna check on the chicken. So the chicken is looking great, y'all. So right now I just have the rice going on right over here. I just have the rice, so I'm just waiting on that. I've been sweating like a pig. Well, it's almost done boiling. And the tapadera for this is like literally lost and I cannot find it. So I am putting a piece of oil on top. Let's cover it up. Life hack. Guys, this right here, this over here got curly because I've been sweating. And when I tell you I've been sweating, I've been drenching sweat. This weather makes me just want to shower like 10 times a day. Like, I do not care, but it's really bad for your hair. So I'm just waiting right now, really just waiting. And drink your water, stay hydrated, guys, because it's fucking hot. Alright guys, so the chicken, I'm gonna take it out right now. Oh my gosh, yes. Wow.
Okay.
I think this is really hot. The seasoning is just perfect. So there we have it. It is all done and delicious. Yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. So I'll be posting on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Somebody just got here, but yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.